back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today is the finale of Eggplant Week, so for this I decided to go with a French classic. We're going to make Ratatouille, more specifically, Confit Byaldi. Now I know it sounds difficult, but it's super simple and I think you're going to love the versatility. So let's do this. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk Ratatouille. Now what is Ratatouille? Well, it's essentially just a roasted vegetable dish in a sauce that was made popular in France because it was actually pretty cheap to make. Now, more modern versions are a little bit more elegant. In this case, we're going to be making a version of Ratatouille that was featured in the movie Ratatouille called Confit Byaldi. Now, don't let the fancy name fool you, it's still the same Ratatouille. In this case, instead of just piling a bunch of vegetables in and stewing them, we're actually just going to slice them. So, you'll see what I mean. It's pretty simple. Don't let the fancy name fool you. Alright, so the technique for this dish, incredibly simple. It's literally just slicing vegetables, putting some sauce in a pan, layering them into like a shingling effect, and then you just roast them for like an hour. But there's a few technical aspects of it that I want to show you guys that I think you guys will appreciate. Alright, so who's ready to try out Ratatouille? Now, I'm pretty excited about this. I've wanted to make this in the show for a little while, so here we go. Alright, and that's how easy it is to make Ratatouille, more specifically, Confit Byaldi. Now, you can kind of do a little bit of variations on this dish. You can use sliced apples and caramel. You can do all root vegetables. You can do all sorts of stuff. It's pretty crazy, the versatility of this dish, just because the technique itself is just so simple. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. So this kind of wraps up Eggplant Week. If you have any suggestions or comments or stuff you'd like to see made, please leave them in the comment section down below. And feel free to stop by next week where I'm not sure what I'm going to be making, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I'll see you guys then.